Meaning of just so stories.
Just so stories.
Just so stories.
Just so stories.
Just so stories. Just So Stories is a collection of children's stories written by Rudyard Kipling. The title refers to the fact that each story is presented as an explanation for how various animals and natural phenomena came to be the way they are just so. The stories are known for their imaginative and whimsical nature, and are often used to teach children about the natural world and human behavior. They were first published in 1902 and have since become a beloved classic of children's literature.